A cash flow plan gives us a glimpse of our financial health from now until the end of life. Today I'm going to show you step by step what a cash flow plan looks like. This is a sample cash flow. It starts from today when the clients are 44 and 42 years old. This is a couple, and it goes all the way to when they are 90 years old. Today, their combined income is about $800,000. Expenses are about $240,000. Here is the tax payment, and this is how much they're planning to save in retirement accounts and other savings accounts. The difference between their inflows and outflows gives us the excess cash that they are typically just spending. But this is a really helpful exercise to make a goal to save this cash instead of just spending it. Another important part of this cash flow is the goals. For example, for this client, their most immediate goals are when their 2 children start going to college in the next few years, and this is how much they will be spending for each of them. Other goals could be buying an investment property or vacation home, and it would show how that affects their cash flow. Then the next big goal for them is retirement. They're planning to retire at age 67, at which point their income tapers off and they start spending from their various savings and investments accounts. Now, this cash flow projection in total shows us if there is any year where this client is ever going to run out of money and if the financial goals they have are feasible or not. If they're not feasible, this allows us to save and invest early in order to make those goals feasible or make a decision to modify those goals. Lastly, this cash flow analysis also helps us make key decisions like, is it a good idea to take a new mortgage or to pay off a mortgage? Or should you cut down your work and take a lower pay to focus on other objectives such as spending time with family or choosing a different career path? A good next step is to do a stress test to see if any external factors might torpedo your plan. Could a painful recession hit at the worst time and derail your plans? A statistical analysis, such as the Monte Carlo analysis, which runs through 1,000 different scenarios, will show you the chances of your financial plan surviving those external factors. At Trueroot Financial, we pair the cash flow analysis with the Monte Carlo analysis to make sure your plan is robust. If you have any questions on how we do this, or if you're curious about your own cash flows, please don't hesitate to contact us.